In this PowerMill quick tip video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the cap feature within the whole feature set tab under the whole panel. And what this feature does is it actually allows us to quickly cap holes in surfaces where we want to machine over them and try to avoid the actual hole itself. Now, to give you a demonstration of this, I've created a raster toolpath across this surface. And what you can see here is that this toolpath is diving down inside of that hole. That's less than optimal, given that we would have possible tool breakage, if not a lot of tool wear. To further show this, I've created this stock model down here so you can kind of see how this would look as it was machined. This would be like a semi-finished toolpath. And you can see that that dives heavily down into those holes. To use the hole cap feature, what you really need to do is first create your feature set, which we've done already. After you have your feature set, it's as simple as just clicking on that cap feature. PowerMill scanned the features and then knitted together a surface between the two. So that you can see this a little bit better, PowerMill separated those surfaces onto a layer so we can further assign them to thicknesses if we need to avoid them in other toolpaths, and also it created it as a separate model. I'm going to go ahead and select all of these so that I can change their color to a more suitable color to see the contrasting of the toolpath. I'm going to right click on our toolpath, go down to Edit, and make it invalid so that I can recalculate the toolpath and you can see the difference. If I turn the toolpath on, you can now see that there's a more smooth transition over those holes. And if I recalculate the stock model, it'll show you that the dips are gone to a point where our tool would survive through the toolpath and we could get a nice clean finish off of this. You can also access this tool within each of the feature sets. If you right click on the whole features, in the edit, in the right click, you can see that there's the cap holes. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this tip was helpful.